Hello students, hope you are all safe. In today's session, I would like to discuss with you different stages of inflation. As I told you that inflation is a newly born baby, it's just like a newly born baby. So the way a baby grows, in the same way inflation also grow in an economy. The different stages of inflation is based upon its rate, its speed of development, its speed of growth. To start with, the first stage of inflation is creeping. Just imagine a baby after 3-4 months, what he starts? He starts crawling. So creeping inflation is just like a crawling inflation. The rate of inflation is between 1 to 2%. A very mild inflation required for the development of your economy, required for optimum utilization of your resources. But if your baby is going to crawl for a long period of time, that is a matter of concern for your parents. The same thing, if in an economy creeping inflation will stay for a long period of time, it is a matter of concern for monetary authority, that is RBI. Then he has to see why inflation is not entering to the next stage. The existence of creeping inflation for a long period of time indicates that your economy has become stagnant economy. There is no sign of development. There is no sign of progression, no exploitation of resources. Students, no doubt creeping inflation is harmful. It's harmless initially, but after a certain stage, it will become harmful because that will be a sign of no development. To move to second, we have walking inflation. Rate of inflation remains between 3 to 6%. Imagine after crawling, a baby starts walking. He takes small steps. He needs help of his parents, help of his siblings, and everybody is happy. Yes, look, baby has started walking. It is a matter of happiness. The same way, if my economy baby, that is inflation, enter to the stage of walking, it's a matter of happiness, satisfaction. Yes, my economy is not still, my economy is not stagnant, it is moving, it is progressive, it is developing, and my resources are being exploited. Later on, a stage comes when baby becomes confident. He starts walking independently. He is not in need of parents' help now. The same way, if inflation has gained confidence and it has taken big steps, means rate of inflation reaches to 10%, then take it as a warning signal. Imagine when the baby is becoming confident and he is becoming independent, parents have to keep an eye on his movements. All the time 24/7, parents are alert where baby is going, what he is doing. In the same way, when it comes to inflation at the rate of 10%, monetary authority, my parent, that is RBI, has to keep an eye on its activities, where it is moving, what it is doing, what type of activities he is indulging into. Is there any progression? Do we have any production? Do we have any happening in an economy? So all this happens in the walking inflation only, but no action is taken. But RBI in the lateral stage will become active, will become vigilant about the various activities, the various actions performed by inflation. So it is a lateral stage of walking inflation is to be taken as a warning signal. Yes, now red alert is there. If inflation is going to cross its limit, we are ready to take with this action. Move to the third one, it's running inflation. In case parents failed to keep check on your activities, to control your activities, then what happen ultimately? You enter to the stage of running inflation. Rate is 10% to 20%. RBI trying their best to control it, but you are not able to. What happens? It start affecting your economy. It start affecting your economic activities. It will start affecting production. It will start affecting poor section of the society, and especially salaried class, that is a middle class. So RBI as a monetary authority in India has to take some steps to keep check or to control inflation over here only. Steps, which type of steps are we supposed to take? That is in the form of quantitative method and qualitative method. In case RBI or monetary authority of any country fails to control running inflation at this stage, then finally your economy will enter to the stage of hyperinflation. Inflation has become a chronic problem, totally gone out of control, not possible. Rate of inflation ranges between 20% to 100%. Anything can happen. There is no possibility to bring your economy back. Money loses its value. You carry how much money, but in return you are going to get too few goods only. You remember the definition of inflation: too much money chases too few goods. So whatever money you are going to carry, it is worthless. The value of money in case of hyperinflation will be absolutely worthless. And this is exactly happened after First World War, started from Germany. In Germany, the inflation was entered into the stage of hyper. Authorities failed to control, and it then spread to the whole world like a virus. We can see that corona was not able to be controlled over in one country, and it spread to the whole world. The same way Germany was not able to control this virus named inflation to their country, and it spread, it covered the whole world, and it is called as Great Depression of 1930s. You are all familiar with this world, right? So today, nowadays, your monetary institutions, World Bank, IMF, RBI, they are too active that they don't allow your economy to enter to the stage of running at hyperinflation. You remember in 1991, our economy entered to the stage of running inflation. The rate of inflation rose to 13 to 16%. So far, it is the highest. But all corrective methods were being taken there only, and it was possible to have a survival. So at present, yes, we are passing through the phase of inflation only, but it is under control because we are trying to reduce the gap between demand for goods and supply for goods. And for a developing nation, it is good to have inflation, but it should remain into walking inflation only. In case we are not able to control over here, then we have seen what happens. Hyperinflation means economy will totally collapse. No survival is possible. Right? So these are the different stages of inflation. Hope it is all clear.